Will 5x150 wheel spacers void your Dodge Challenger warranty? In most cases, installing 5x150 wheel spacers on your Dodge Challenger won't void the car warranty. As long as they fit properly and are correctly torqued, these 5x150 wheel spacers won't damage your cars. Different brands may have different regulations, so it is recommended to check carefully before installing. As manufacturing technology improves, Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are getting more durable and tough. As long as you install them correctly, front hub-centric spacers will have a negligible effect on the suspension part. In other words, even with long-term use, your car warranty is not affected by Dodge Challenger wheel spacers. Even some famous aftermarket wheel manufacturers offer Dodge Challenger wheel spacers to fit their wheels. For decades, Dodge Challenger wheel spacers have been used widely on many vehicles with no problem. Just get the top quality Dodge Challenger 5x150 wheel spacers, and you can make the car perform better and look more stylish. Brand spacer manufacturers spend much time, money, and reassurance to optimize the spacer design. Get genuine Dodge Challenger wheel spacers and have them installed by professionals, then there is nothing to worry about. Since the spacer is a connecting part that holds the vehicle top and the wheel together, precise Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are the best option. BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are generally produced by 0.02mm CNC machining, which ensures a smooth surface and stable construction. In other words, the higher the precision, the better the performance. Made of advanced mechanics undergoes a series of safety tests. They are approved by SGS and TUV. These SGS and TUV certified tire spacers are completely safe to use. BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centered rings. The hub-centered metal rings is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels with the corresponding hub branch, which eliminates any tossable gaps. Besides, BONOSS active cooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed with heat extraction rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in kettle shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of accurately dissipating heat through the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Dodge Challenger wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Additionally, BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacers offer a 10-year warranty. Therefore, if you intend to buy good spacers, the BONOSS active cooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers will be a perfect option.